All right, so there we go. That was the first round of cleaning process of these wheels. Normally I don't usually use a stiff brush on wheels, but the back of the barrels were really bad. I still got a lot of cleaning to do, like in here, in the lug holes. What I want to do next, because some of these black speckles down in here, you can kind of see these black specks. A lot of this is metallic in nature because it's coming from the brake pads. So what I want to do next, and I'll show just very briefly on video, but go over with some McGuire's cleaner / wax. That should take it off and then protect the whole wheel. And I might even hit the back of the wheels as well, or at least I should say the main barrels of the wheels with some cleaner wax. Gonna go ahead here and use some of this cleaner wax next from McGuire's. I've always used this stuff. I love it, and I think it's good stuff for the money. So alright, so thanks for watching the video. If you like this type of video, be sure to subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it. It's free, and hit the bell for notifications. And I will see you guys next time. Alright, see you guys later. Alright, thanks. Bye now. Do what? Subscribe.
Subscribe, Daddy. Subscribe button.